Alright, so I was out the other day and the belt broke on my boat. So when we got back, I started the process of figuring out how to change the belt, and part of that was taking the belt tensioner off. This is the belt tensioner. So this is the front of the new one, and this is the front of the old one. So I wasn't sure whether it was bad, tried to put it back on and had a terrible time getting it back on. So I bought a new one. And then once I got the new one, I figured out it was very obvious that the old one was bad. So my lovely assistant here is going to show you the difference. So on the left one is the new one, and it's very easy for the pulley to turn. She can do it with her finger, no problem. But on the right one, it's hard to turn even by holding it and trying to get it to turn at all. So obviously the bearings in the old one are bad. It needs to be replaced. Maybe you could grease it up, I don't know. But even on this one, you can tell that the little ratchet spot here has been broken. So that's what you're going to use to tighten it down. So hope that helps somebody.